Hello guys, hope all you guys doing very well. Today I have a Toyota. The customer has problem with the engine misfire. It's a 2GR engine. It's come also in a Lexus vehicles and the Toyota. So the customer already done inspection on injectors, plugs, spark plugs and the ignition coil. So I run my diagnose. I do head pressure test, so it all comes good, no problem. So I decide to use a camera to inspect the piston and the valves. So this is what I found. So sometimes you have to use camera to inspect. You never know what will come out from the engine. So we have to do all the inspections. uh, Wait, it's not going through the, so it's a plug where you can install the plug. It's now a piston, so nothing on the cylinder. Then I decide to remove the injectors, front injectors. As you can see, these holes for the front three injectors. It's number 2, number 4 and number 6. So I was having problem in number 6, so I decide to inspect by camera. So this is what I found in cylinder. In As you can see, there is a something sitting right on the wall. As you can see, this is something right on a wall. I have no idea where it come from. So this is what causing this problem. Hopefully the walls don't get bent. Now we will remove the intake. First of all, we will let the no customer, then we will remove the intake and we will try to remove whatever this thing is, and we will check what is it and where it come from. So this, I am pretty sure this problem caused by the previous repair. Maybe the workshop didn't care what going into the intake or the air filter. So always do your services on a good workshop. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel.